Car Fix It show. I'm Kato. Well, we're back, and today we'll be working on this car, which I found. The bank repossessed most of my stuff, so I just decided to work on this car here in this nice garage. So anyway, it's a Saturn, and today we're going to be well, dropping the engine out and putting a new one in. So basically what you need is some gum boots. And should I stop? Well, I don't have any tools or specialized training as a mechanic, so I'll have to kick it out. Let me just stretch here.
What are you doing?
I'm just working on this.
This is my car. I ran out of gas. What are you doing? What the hell is that? What is my wife's booth doing there? Where's my wife?